Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get some rewards by completing the tasks for the new events of Girls Frontline cross COD Mobile events. So let's get started how we can get the rewards by clicking the events. This is the events banner. Click the feature. As you can see, there are some feature in here. So this is the new one. Girls Frontline Mysterious Fluid Operation. So you can redeem epic guns like this one, HDR Collapse Fluid. This is the epic free weapon you can get from this event. And also this one, Maddox Collapse Fluid. This is our assault rifle you can get. And also some rewards you can get excluding a gun or rifle. For example, this is a calling card. How you can get these rewards? By completing the task. Click the task. It's under the redeem one. There are some tasks you can complete by doing the challenge, such as use any assault rifle to kill 50 enemies, and you can get this mysterious fluid. You can earn this token by completing the mission, and you can exchange for amazing rewards that I mentioned before. You can collect until 30 fluid and exchange with this. Okay, thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.